Road Ranger. New and exciting. We don't come here very often, and I don't think I've ever been at this one. Where are we?
Okawville, Illinois.
Ah,
And yeah, I was actually at this very one last week because I came through from Kansas City through St. Louis. And this is my first stop. So that's twice I've used this one.
well, they must be
I've
giving
been
a good deal on fuel here.
I've been to 2 or 3 other Road Rangers over the past year, but usually it's Loves and Flying J. They seem to be using TAs a lot less now. We actually hit platinum status at Loves last month. That's pretty rare.
We like that.
Yeah.
Endless coffee for Tanya. Oh, that was the UPS guy waving at me because I held the door for him. Such friendly service.
That's so nice. Finish this here. Gotta get out of the way there, bud. Give him hit the brakes. Yeah, you caught that guy. He passed us. Remember?
That guy, yeah.
So everybody, we were in a construction zone. It was posted 55, and everybody was doing 65.
Oops.
The cop was along the Jersey barriers, and there were pylons blocking the 3rd lane. And that's where he was sitting, and he popped out between the pylons, joined into traffic, and then he hit the lights behind that flatbedder.
Oh.
After the construction, there's room for the guy to pull over. So,
Well, we know that can be
watch
an unpleasant experience, so we wish him luck and hope that everything is okay and the officer can't find anything because everything is just right.
they already got him speeding in a construction zone. Double the fine. He's probably doing about 10 over. That's not good.
That's not good.
That'll be on his CSA score too. Yeah, so it was 3 lanes wide. I was in the center lane. I had just passed a guy in a Freightliner. We hit the construction zone, and it was marked very clearly that it was coming and everything, and the left lane closed. So it was just 2 lanes, and the speed limit in the zone was 55.
Way station 2 miles.
So by the time I got down to 60, the guy I had just passed was barreling past me. He kept doing 65 or 68 or whatever it was. I was slowing down, and he started slowing down, and then I saw that cop pop out. It was a good 300 yards up ahead, but I saw this cop car pull out and pull into the lane in front of me, but there were trucks and cars and everything, and everybody hit the brakes, and everyone was suddenly doing 55.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I think, it's important to remember, I know often people are like, oh, it's just going with, the flow of traffic, but that is not sufficient for getting you out of trouble with the law.
Excuse.
It's no excuse. So it's very important to actually, be a leader by slowing down.
Protect your CDL, man. Don't get a ticket for something like that.
Yeah, very important.
Bada boom!
Did you just win the jackpot?
I just won the bypass lottery.
Woohoo!
Let's get the hell out of here.
Oh,
It was closed.
hollow victory.
A hollow victory over the DOT scale demon. He's not even there.
Darn it.
The demon sleeps as I tiptoe past. Ha!
What did you say the other day? Something about the vanquished? He said, what was it? Do you remember? The enemy.
It is when you get a bypass on your drive-wise saying you don't have to go into the scale, and then you see the scale was closed anyway.
Yes, very
It is a hollow victory against a paper enemy.
There was something about
He was already defeated before I got here.
the vanquished enemy.
Yes.
In 1 3/4 miles, take exit 44 on the right to
Yeah,
I-24 East.
Back over there if this guy's
warning system that you're too close to the vehicle in front of you. In case you're wondering what that little musical accompaniment is.
That's the radar tattling on
Assisting you. In case you didn't notice. That's a first. There's a moving truck and the mattresses are strapped to the outside. That's pretty funny. Hopefully it won't rain. Is that your $6,000 Tempur-Pedic mattress?
it. It's your $20,000 moving experience by professionals.
And it's not the Mississippi. It's the Ohio River.
Actually, it looks wider than
It's
Mississippi.
really big. Big and beautiful.
Oh boy.
Ding ding. Welcome to Kentucky. Da da da. Kevin,
Yeah.
I hear you recently bought a house.
Yeah, we recently bought a house.
Is this it?
Nope. Welcome to Paducah, Kentucky.
This is the Welcome Center. Pretty amazing.
Continue on I-24.
And Tennessee. Zipping through the states today.
You have received a new message. Dispatcher. Free-form message. The land driver's reminder. Please ensure you are checking tire pressure as part of your pre-trip INSP. Actions. Approximately 90% of tire blowouts are the result of UNDERINFLATION. A failed dot inspect. T-on for a flat tire. Exposed ports. OR and audible air leak can cost you 30 CSA points. Also, the average response time for emergency roadside service involving a tire issue is 3 hours, to save you RSELF time and CSA points. Check your air pressure.
So we just avoided about 6 miles of traffic jam. Because
More than that.
Kevin, was it more than that? On which one?
If we come down I-24 through Nashville, that's all locked up solid right now. And then it comes down to I-40. And it's really jammed up there where 40 and 24 blend and separate and all kinds of stuff going on. But so we took the 155 Parkway around the city, past the Grand Ole Opry.
Continue on
But then
I-24.
you're supposed to get on I-40, take that for about a mile, and get on I-24 and start heading south to Chattanooga. But I stayed on 155, the Briley Parkway. You go through a couple of traffic lights, so it slows down to city driving, but you're still moving. That's the point. And now we're back on 24. See all this wall-to-wall stuff? Well, we just avoided about an hour of that.
Yeah. But now we're throwing ourselves into the fray.
No choice now.
Let's see how long it takes.
Speed limit's 30 on the interstate.
Oh, did you see that little red truck there?
See no shortcut?
Yeah, I think he's gonna try and merge further ahead. Sneaky. Sneaky little bugger. Ah. Oh, oh, that's guy's coming in enthusiastically. Trucks use right two lanes. I see that's working out really well. Do they teach you to follow the signs when you get your CDL, honey?
What signs?
What signs? Signs? Did you skip that chapter? I think they did.
We got left.
Hey, that's the sound of celery.
Still got 3 hours left we can drive.
Mont Eagle and Sewanee, 1.25 miles. First, we gotta climb up here. Then, we gotta go down on the other side. Oh, 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 oh,
Whoa,
oh,
watch
oh,
out there, little
people.
Mercedes-Benz.
My goodness.
What do those guys do? 20 miles an hour up this hill?
But first, we're gonna take a little stop at the rest area.
You have 2 hours of drive time left.
Better take break. We're coming in too fast. It's got a size load.
That's handicap.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Spotting.
Thanks, hon. Thanks. Yeah. Yeah. Fiery gizzard. Have to turn off right here at the truck inspection station. This gives you a chance to make sure your brakes are working well. We're before you head down Mount Eagle. How are your brakes, Kevin?
We're not stopping.
Oh, please don't say that.
Runaway ramp number 2 is closed.
Oh, that's not good.
Good to know. Yes.
Good. Your brakes seem to be working. Hey, do you know the Mount Eagle song? Can you sing it for us?
No, I can't.
No? Alright, now we have to let Kevin concentrate. 6% grade for 4 miles. It's a very famous descent. Be sure you know how to use your Jake brakes appropriately because you don't want to burn out your foot brake. And here we go.
back there were 6 cruisers, state troopers, and 1 civilian car in front of them. So I guess they pulled over this car, and then the guy called for a lot of backup. They must have found a whole case of donuts in the trunk or something. 6 of them, and they were standing around in a group laughing and slapping each other on the back and I don't know what, having a good old time.
Maybe it was a case of beer.
I don't know. There were 6. This is 7. There were 2. About 5 miles before that, there were 2 of them just sitting on the side of the road having a chit chat. Very busy spot. We're almost out of Tennessee, so maybe this is like their last chance to catch everybody, you know, before they get out of the state.
The last hurrah to make some money for the state.
Oh, check it out.
What? More?
Yeah. What is going
Oh,
on?
maybe they're trying to keep people from leaving the state.
Is this the Blitz? We're gonna stop every damn car in Tennessee if it kills us. My golly, somebody's breaking the law, I'm sure. Look at 2 of them ganging up on 1 car.
They're right in there.
I think it's a shift change. The 2 shifts are overlapping. They're just swarming like bees out here.
I have no idea.
Wow.
Yes, you see no trucks in this rest area. Which is too bad because it's so pretty. Anyway, Kevin,
Yes.
what are you thinking?
I'm thinking it's 7 o'clock at night. We just went through a rest stop. It was totally full. It would have been a real nice place to stay. So I know there are spaces here for you to park overnight. So I'm gonna stay here tonight. But even though I got a bypass, I'm not going over their scales. Yeah, there's room. There's lots of spaces. See that? I wonder if they'll let us use their bathroom too. Let's go in here. I see. Perfect. As long as they don't wake us up with DOT inspections in the morning.
Or the trumpet call.
As long as you're parked here, I think we'll check your truck.
Don't even say it.
The first spot taken, yeah, that would have been my preference. Oh. Let's go up here and hope nobody parks beside us all night long. That'll happen.
Yeah. There we go.
A lot of guys won't park at these way stations, even if there's parking overnight.
Because of that fear.
Yeah, they're afraid of getting an inspection while they happen to be here sleeping. All right, sleeper berth. It is. That's it. Yeah, so it's 7:08. We can go on duty tomorrow at 5:08. And
What did we do today?
oh, I didn't check the mileage. We did well over 500 miles though. Probably did about 540, 550.
Well, okay, well, hey, Kevin,
Yeah.
what should people do if they liked the video today?
Oh, thanks for coming along for the ride today from Missouri through Illinois into Kentucky and Tennessee and now Georgia. That's 5 states in one day. Check us out next time. Give me a thumbs up. I hope you like the ride. Comments down below. Like to hear what you have to say. Hit the subscribe button. Dingle the bell. And we'll see you down the road. Bye-bye.
Good night, everybody.
Good night.